Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. Dear students, in the previous lectures we studied about electric charges and basic properties of electric charge. Okay. Now in our today's session we will discuss about Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. Now dear students, in our last lecture we have discussed about types of charges. And we know that there are two types. How many types are there? There are two types: positive charge and negative charge. Now dear students, if we have two charge and these two charges are separated by some distance. If we have two charges and these two charges are separated by some distance, what will be there in between them? Will they repel each other or will they attract each other? Right? So let's talk about Coulomb's law. Now before we start this topic, Coulomb's law, some points are there and these points are nothing but like charges repel each other. Now dear students, if we have similar charges like positive, like negative, such charges are known as like charges. And if we have like charges, there will be repulsion, or we can say they will repel each other. Or if we have unlike charges, unlike means one positive and one negative, there will be attraction. And dear students, repulsion and attraction is nothing but one type of force. There is one type of force acting between two charges. This repulsive and attractive is nothing but it is a one type of force which is acting between two charges. Okay. So Coulomb's law explains what will be the force between two charges. Okay. So let's talk about Coulomb's law. What is the statement? Here we have drawn one figure, and in this figure we have two charges, Q1 and Q2, and these two charges Q1 and Q2 are separated by some distance, small r. Now what will be the force between these two charges? So let's talk about statement. The electric force between 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This is the statement of Coulomb's law. Whatever force is there in between 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So how we can represent mathematically? So to represent mathematically, symbol of force is F. Electric force is there and symbol of force is F, which is directly proportional to the product of their charges. So directly proportional to the product of their charges Product means multiplication, q1 and q2, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So f is inversely proportional to the square of the distance, 1 upon r square, inversely 1 upon r square. So dear students, we have these two equations, f proportional to q1 q2 and f proportional to 1 upon r square. So if we combine these two equations, what we get? F force proportional to q1 q2 upon r square, force F proportional to q1 q2 upon r square. When we remove this sign, we have to put one constant, that is k. So equation will become like this, F is equal to k q1 q2 upon r square. Now what is k? K is nothing but Coulomb's constant. K is nothing but Coulomb's constant and its value is given. K is equal to 1 upon 4 by epsilon 0 is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 in N system. Directly you can use this value or you can use this formula also, where epsilon 0 is equal to absolute permittivity. Epsilon 0 is nothing but absolute permittivity and its value is given 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12 Faraday per meter. So dear students, in this session we discussed about Coulomb's law. I hope you would be understood this topic very well. Okay, thank you.